Still using paper sign-in sheets at your events? Manual check-ins waste time, create bottlenecks, and lead to messy records. There's a better way. QR codes are one of the simplest ways to track attendance fast and efficiently. Want more options? Check out our full guide, Everything You Need to Know About Event Attendance Tracking. Links in the description below. Let's break down how to use QR codes for attendance tracking step by step. Step 1, choose an attendance tracking tool. Start with a platform that generates QR codes and collects scan data, like Eventbrite, Hooa, Google Forms, or custom tools integrated with your CRM. Step 2, generate a unique QR code. Each attendee gets a personalized QR code sent via email or event app. This ensures that when scanned, their check-in is logged to their profile. Step 3, set up a scanning station. Place staff or kiosks with smartphones or tablets at entry points. Use your chosen platform's app or any QR scanner linked to your system to start checking people in. Step 4, track attendance in real time. Watch check-ins happen live. See who arrived, when, and where. Perfect for sessions with multiple rooms or breakout tracks. Step 5, export and analyze your data. After the event, export attendance data to evaluate performance, follow up with attendees, or report to stakeholders. QR codes make your event entry seamless, modern, and trackable. It's a small switch with a big impact. Want to explore all attendance tracking methods? Check out our guide link below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more event tech tips you can actually use.